Hi, today I'll show you how to set up the password on your PS4. So, first of all, go to the settings, then login settings, login passcode management, and let's just write some password. It will be 1234 1234. So, if you want to delete your password, just press on the delete login passcode and write your password. Then confirm your choice by pressing the OK option, and as you can see, there is no longer your password. Press like, comment our video and subscribe to our channel.